Okay. Good afternoon, Ananda. Good morning to Ananda. Today class extended semantic networks for knowledge representation. Okay, extended semantic networks for knowledge representation. Here, knowledge representation, logical and semantic networks are two different formations are used. Okay. Here, simple semantic networks are represented as directed graph. These nodes are represented as concepts or objects, and also arcs represents as relationships between concepts or objects. Here, collection of variable free assertions are known as variable free assertion. Here, collection of variable assertions are known as variable free assertion. Here, in English sentences, for example, Raju gives an apple to Ravi, and Raju and Ravi are human can be denoted in the semantic network. Ravi, Raju. Another example. Here, Ravi, Raju, human. This is the apple. Give. This is the action. Give action. This is the object. Apple is object. Okay. Ravi. This is recipient. Ravi is a human. Raju is a human. This is actor. Raju is actor. This is a semantic net. Here in Raju gives an apple to Ravi. Raju to Ravi. And Raju and Ravi are human. Okay. Here, the diagram shows alternative way of representing semantic net in the semantic link. Here, equal event, that is an actor, that is actor giving, actor, Raju actor, object equal to apple, respond equal to Ravi. Semantic nets can also be have semantic identification. Semantic information about situation. So that actor of giving event, giving is Raju and object is apple. In that sentence, Raju gives an apple to Ravi. The network relationships of class form is denoted as following: object of E, apple, action of E give, actor of E give Raju, respond of E Ravi, easy of Raju human, easy of Ravi human. Okay. Here the predicate relations are balanced to the labels and the arcs of semantic networks always have two arguments. The semantic net can be denoted as binary representation, two argument representation. Okay. The advantage of that representation is when the additional information is added to the given system. Here, another example. John gives an apple to Mike. This is the example. Another names Mike and John. Here, John gives an apple to Mike, and John and Mike are human. Here, maybe represented in semantic network as shown. Mike, John. John gives an apple to Mike. Apple to Mike. And John and Mike are human. Mike is a human. Here, he represents an event which is an act of giving. Okay. Whose act is John? The object is an apple. The recipient is Mike. It should be noted that semantic net can hold semantic information gives an apple to Mike. The relationship in the network is shown figure as follows. Object of e, apple, action of e, give, actor of e, John, recipient of e, Mike, easy of John, human, easy of Mike, human. Predicate relations corresponding to labels and the arcs of semantic networks always have two arguments. Therefore, the entire semantic net can be coded using binary representation, that is two argument representation. Such representation is advantageous when additional information is added to the given system. Here, for example, in the sentence, John give an apple to Mike in the kitchen. Another example, in the kitchen, it is easy to add location of e, kitchen to the set of facts given below. Okay. Even above. In first order predicate logic, predicate relation can have n arguments where n greater than or equal to 1. For example, the sentence John gives an apple to Mike is easily represented in predicate logic by give of John, Mike, apple, John, Michael, apple. Here, John, Mike, and apple are arguments, while give represents a predicate relation. The predicate logic representation has greater advantages compared to semantic net representation, as it can express general proposition. In addition to the simple assertions, for example, the sentence John gives an apple to everyone he likes. Everyone he likes. He expressed in predicate logic by the class as follows: give us John X apple, that is the likes of John X. Here, the symbol X is a variable representing any individual. The arrow represents the logical connect to implied by. The left side of arrow contains conclusion. Connect to implied by logical conclusion. While the right side contains conditions, okay, left and right. Despite all the advantages, it is not convenient to add new information in an array representation of predicate logic. Here, for example, if we have three array relationship, give up John, Mike, Apple, representing John gives an apple to Mike, and to capture an additional information about kitchen in the sentence, John give an apple to Mike in the kitchen. In the kitchen. We would have to replace the three array representation. Give up John, Mike, Apple with a new four array representation such as give up John, Mike, Apple, kitchen. Okay, add kitchen. Further, a clause logic can have several conditions, all of which must hold for the conclusion to be true, and can have several alternative conclusions, at least one of which must hold if all the conditions are true. For example, the sentence, if John gives something he likes to a person, then he also likes that person. Here can be expressed in casual representation in logic as likes of John X arrow, give up John XY, likes of John Y. Okay. Here the sentence, every human is either male or female, is expressed by the following clause: male of X, female of X, arrow or arrow, human of X. In conventional semantic network, in conventional semantic network, you cannot expect clausal from logic. Here, to overcome this shortcoming, R. Kowalski and his colleagues in 1979 proposed an extended semantic network, ESNet, that combined the advantages of both logic and semantic networks. Here, extended semantic network can be interpreted as a variant syntax for the clausal form of logic. It has the same expressive power as that of predicate logic with well-defined semantics, inference rules, and a procedural interpretation. Here it also incorporates the advantage of using binary rotation relation as in semantic network rather than n-ary relations of logic. Therefore, external semantic network is a much powerful representation as compared to logic and semantic network. In extended semantic network, the ESNet, the terms are represented by nodes similar to as done in conventional semantic network. Constant, variable, and functional terms are represented by constant, variable, and functional nodes respectively. Here, binary predicate symbols in casual logic are represented by labels and arcs of extended semantic network, that is ESNet. An atom of the form love of John Mary okay, the form love of John Mary is an arc labeled as love with two end nodes representing John and Mary. The direction of the arc, that is linked, indicates the order of the arguments of the predicate symbol, which labels the arc as follows. John love, Here conclusions and conditions of causal form are represented in extended semantic network by different kinds of arcs. Okay. The arcs denoting conditions, negative atoms are drawn with dotted arrow lines. These are called Daniel links. While the arcs denoting conclusions, positive atoms are drawn with continuous arrow lines. These are known as assertion links. Daniel links, assertion links. Daniel link, assertion link. Okay. For example, here, for example, the causal representation. Grandfather of XY, father of XZ, parent of ZY. For grandfather in logic can be represented in ESNet as given below. Here X and Y are variables. Grandfather XY is the consequent, that is conclusion, and father of XZ and parent of ZY are the antecedents, that is condition. This is the ESNet representation. This is the ESNet extended semantic net representation. Grandfather, father, this side. Here, okay. Grandfather, father, yes. Here, similarly, the causal rule of here, similarly, the causal rule, male of X, female of X, that is human of X, can be represented using binary representation as also as EG of X comma male, EG of X comma female, that is EG of X comma human. And subsequently, in extended semantic networks as shown in this is the diagram. So we have seen that any class can be easily represented using extended semantic network, which was not possible in ordinary semantic net. Now, okay, we will discuss the following rules associated with inference rules associated with extended semantic net. Okay, this is the inference rules. Inference rules are embedded in the representation itself. Some of the inference rules are being discussed as follows. That is first one. The representation of the inference for every action of giving. There is an action of taking in causal logic is action of f of x comma take. That is the action of x comma give. The interpretation of this rule is that the event of taking action is a function of the event of giving action. In the external semantic network representation, ESNet representation, functional terms such as f of x are represented by a single node. The representation of the statement action of f of x take action of x. This is the ESNet representation. F of x action take x action give. The next rule, the inference rule, another rule, the inference rule that an action who performs a taking action is also the recipient of this action and can be easily represented in causal logic. Here is ESNet as given below. Here E is a variable representing an event of an action of take. That is recipient of EX, action of E take, action of actor of EX. Okay. This is the ESN representation. Recipient, actor, action, take. Here, represent the following clauses in ESNet. Recipient of E comma X, that is action of E take, actor of EX, object of E comma apple, action of E comma take, actor of E comma John. Here solution. E is a variable for some event and E small e is an actual event. ESNet representation of the clauses. Here the partition is shown to delimit the class historically by enclosing the causal group. This is an ellipse. That is example. Action. John. Apple. Object. Actor. Action. Take. Action. Capital E. X. Recipient. That is actor. Here. Okay. And the And next one, third one, the third rule. The contradiction in ESNet can be represented as shown here. P part of X is conclusion and P part of Y is condition, where Y is linked with X via easy link. Such kind of representation is contradictory and hence there is a contradiction in ESNet. This is the contradiction in ESNet. Okay. Next, reduction in extended semantic net. Inference rules along with its semantics from a part of ESNet. We know that in logic there are two types of inference mechanisms, namely forward reasoning inference mechanism and backward reasoning inference mechanism. Forward reasoning inference mechanism means bottom-up approach. Backward reasoning inference mechanism means top-down approach. Here forward reasoning represent inference mechanism. Here given an ESNet, apply the following reduction resolution using modus ponens rule of logic, that is given A to B and B then conclude A. For example, consider the following set of clauses: easy of X comma human, that is easy of X comma man, easy of John comma man. Here using modus ponens rule of logic, we can easily derive that easy of John human holds true. Now let us derive our inference easy of John human using ESNet representation. The clauses are represented in ESNet as shown in table. Okay. Here the new assertion easy of John human is inferred by elimination of assertion and their Daniel links with the help of appropriate substitution. Here easy of X comma human is an assertion link and easy of X comma man is a Daniel link. Okay. Here the contradiction is enclosed in rectangular box. Okay. This is the diagram. Contradiction after X is bound to John. John is a man and is a X is a human. That is, John is a human. This is a forward reasoning inference mechanism. Okay. And next, backward reasoning inference. Here, in backward inference mechanism, we can prove a conclusion or goal from a given ESNet by adding the Daniel of the conclusion to the network and show that the resulting set of clauses in the network gives a contradiction. This is done by performing successive steps of resolution until an explicit contradiction is generated. This is done by performing successive steps of resolution until an explicit contradiction is generated. It is similar to proof by resolution refutation in casual form of logic. Consider the set of clauses represented in casual form. We need to prove easy of John Human using the same network. Here the proof is given. Okay, this is the contradiction given set of clauses. Easy of X comma human, easy of X comma man, easy of John comma man. This is human. John is a man. Is X is a human. Here Dan gap query. John is a human. Is a X is a man. Man is a human. Man is X. X is a human. This is the backward reasoning inference into mechanism. Okay. See the Okay. Okay. Only 50 members present. 14 members. Okay, this is the reduction in external semantic networks are can be included as forward reasoning mechanism, backward reasoning inference mechanism. Here, okay, after adding Daniel link in extended semantic network, we get the reduction in extended semantic network. As shown. As shown in table, next table, there is this is the table, okay, as follows. Here, by elimination of affection and their Daniel link with the help of appropriate substitution. This is the reduction of extended semantic net. X is equal to John. Here, human John is a human. X equal to John. Here, contradiction or empty network is generated. Hence, is of John human is proved. Okay, clear? Okay. These are direction in action semantic network mechanism. So first one, forward reasoning inference mechanism, bottom up approach, backward reasoning inference mechanism. Okay. Okay, thank you. Okay, thank you. Thank you to another.